everyone, this is Preetham, and everyone knew that 40 days of Java programming is coming from this Tuesday, and basically this event is all about Java programming throughout this 40 days. So this event is structured in such a way that participants who register for this event will be solving a lot of coding problems, but before solving that problems we're gonna teach them the concepts and the principle behind the topic, and they'll be given a lot of reasonable examples too. And we're gonna conduct a lot of quizzes, so for which they'll be having a leaderboard of top 3 responses, and there'll be a leaderboard for the WhatsApp responses too. And this event will be conducted through the WhatsApp, and YouTube will be in favor for the video lectures. So in our day-to-day life we see a lot of applications which are built under Java programming, right? So by participating in this event you can construct your own applications. So what I meant to say is by participating in this event you can create your own applications. You can strengthen your applicative mind. So this applicative mind will be very much useful for you during your internships and the job time, because many companies are hiring the candidates who are good at Java programming. This Java programming is very useful for you at any stage of your life. Like if you want to be a web developer, JavaScript will be very useful for you, and in certain cases for building a lot of big applications, Java programming is very essential for you. So this Java programming is an oldest programming, and it can handle any type of applications. So by learning this Java programming you can get a good job with good salary and good package. So you may think this event as a fundamentals. It will be improving your fundamentals, and it will be a good start for you to start your Java programming. So register for this event and brighten your future.